last night I decided I want to be Dementor. Of course, not literally. Literally? I cannot say that word. I hope you know what I mean. I mean costume or cosplay, and this head will become the head of Dementor. And I will mount it on my own head and I will become Dementor. I don't know how to do it yet, but I was thinking about it about 2 hours last night. And I think I have a pretty good idea how to do it. So come along with me and we will figure it out. So basic idea is that I will have this head behind my own head, somewhere like this, and I will have straps here and around my waist, and it will hold everything up, even though it will be quite heavy, I think, and it will become like the Dementor is hanging on my back, and everything and clothes will be hanging down and I will be underneath it. So we'll see. I have this styrofoam head and I have this paper rolls. They are from plastic bags from supermarket, but they're not long enough, of course. So I need to connect them. I will take this paper roll from toilet paper, glue it, and should be sturdy. I don't think my spine would be really bendable, but maybe it will be fine. It holds. Nice. Oh. Okay, I have 3 now. And head must be somewhere here. I don't want it lie flat against my back, because head would be here and that's bad, because my real head would be poking through his chest, and I don't want that really. So I need it like this, tilted forward. So I will probably add one more. It will be against my butt and should be okay, I hope. I think this will be enough length. And I realize I will need an elastic band here, so keep it leaning forward and in place. It will stick out a little bit in the back, but I don't think it's a problem, because there will be a lot of cloth on the back, so it should be covered. I'm not sure if basic elastic band will be enough. If too much weight is put on it, I believe can fall down. And we have to test it. I will put it there now and I will see. In the worst case, I will have to put there some kind of belts with buckles. But this is a first try and maybe it will work. I don't have nothing to lose, right? Except meters and meters of elastic band. So this is too loose. I will have to cut it and make it smaller. But always better have it bigger and have to shorten it than otherwise. Right now, it feels pretty secure to me, but now it's only styrofoam head and a stick. It's not any kind of fabric or anything else on it. I'm pretty nervous about this. Maybe I can tighten this too. Ow! I will sew elastic bands by hand, just temporarily. Right now it's no point in sewing it by machine. I will do it later. Right now, for this trailer run, will be enough. So I marked where straps will go, and I also put a buckle here and here. Will put the buckle, those ones, but I have to print out bigger ones. This is too small, it's for this one, but I need bigger. And also I will put one strap here when it's heavier, so it doesn't slide down. It will be all for today. It's pretty late. Everything is just pinned in place. But I think it will work. The skeleton starts to look alright. And we will see tomorrow. Bye!